You keep rolling your boat, you and I just spending my mode. Seafarer, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. If you're new to this channel, just smash that subscribe button, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is a new 13x7 beautiful unit. This is the Bobbi Boss MLF392 Lara, and I'm wearing it in the color 1B. So if you're interested in seeing the multiple ways I styled this unit and the cap construction details, just stay tuned for this video.
Swallow it quicker and fuck what they say. Let me get a little pickup. Ayy, rolling the blunt, I've been smoking for days. Let me get a little liquor. Ayy, swallow it quicker and fuck what they say. Let me get a little pickup. Ayy, rolling the blunt, I've been smoking for days. Pop off, get your top off, shouty. Ringleader while you're not off phone me. Heat eater, get your rocks off, shouty. Slow it down, let me pop this Bacardi. Smoke some, yeah, my eyes all glazed. Give me my stunners, I'm about to stun in his face. Take off, can't find him on ways. Face off, about to play my game. If you ain't coming with the butt, I'm about to get it off. Fire on deck, you wanna puff it, we can get it off. Rapping with the queen, and I promise that we can set it off. See no evil, I'm a motherfucking rebel dog. Yo, scared, call the motherfucking polo. Sweating all in your all white polo. I'm a boss, get lost, yo, homo. See me on TV, all white coat out. Let me get a little liquor, ayy. Swallow it quicker and fuck what they say. Let me get a little pickup, ayy. Rolling the blunt, I've been smoking for days. Let me get a little liquor, ayy. Swallow it quicker and fuck what they say. Let me get a little pickup, ayy. Rolling the blunt, I've been smoking for days.
I used to give a fuck, but that was back in the day. And now I can give a fuck less, so fuck what they say. Yeah, they judging me cause they been stuck inside a cage. Just discussing how they rushing just to ride up on the next wave. They flex shit cause their mind isn't safe. We can find it amazing, defined by a phase. Drinking up the liquor with a little bit of haze. Rolling up the potion while they take it to the face. Choking on the hope until they lost inside their ways. Yeah, holding on to coping through the darkest of the days. Reaping water soul, I've been digging up the graves. And I've been rolling in the deep just to keep you in your place. Fuck out my face, I slap the taste. Out from your mouth like your tongue's been displaced. Sleeping with the heat, see I'm afflicted in a blaze. Saying I've been killing them and all they embrace.
Let me get a little liquor, ayy. Swallow it quicker and fuck what they say. Let me get a little pickup, ayy. Rolling the blunt, I've been smoking for days. Let me get a little liquor, ayy. Swallow it quicker and fuck what they say. Let me get a little pickup, ayy. Rolling the blunt, I've been smoking for days.
You keep rolling your boat, you and I just spending my mode. Seafarer, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free. At least inside my mind, there's no confines from what I seek or what I speak. A bit of peace to let my mind at ease. The music's all I need, a little comic through relief. Grief comes in waves, so maybe that's why y'all been drowning. Smiles to the world, but in your bathroom you are frowning. Down in the uppers for supper just to feel down again. I know you're lost, but ain't no shame in getting found again. Fuck synthetic happiness, the ultimate deception. I'd rather feel alive even if swimming in depression. Cause I never wanna lose myself to the power of possession. No materialistic things that seem to lead you to aggression. Yeah, what am I protecting? What you been neglecting? I'm talking sense of self, I know my presence is a present. Elevation is my favorite type of antidepressant. Even through life's devastation, know my vibes illuminescent.
You keep rolling your boat, you and I just spending my mode. Seafarer, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. keep burning, the smoke fills our
So what I
throat.
really like about this unit is the versatility, the fact that you have all that parting space to do whatever you wish with. 13x7, ladies. So that is all of this space up here. You can do so many different natural looking styles. The curl pattern on this unit is beautiful. Now, I did experience some tangling when I was doing the different styles with it, but I love the fact that it wasn't too overwhelming and that I was still able to get away with doing multiple parting options and not having too much tangling or shedding. It's very flowy, extremely full. This is incredibly big head friendly, so if you do have a big head, I would say go and swoop this up. One of the strange part about this unit is the fact that the combs are not in the front. They're actually like back here. But it doesn't make it feel any less secure in my opinion, because I just stuck them into the stocking cap that I'm wearing, and then there's also that comb in the back. It does come with baby hairs, which were very easy to lay down. I did have to trim them up a little bit, but it was nothing too crazy. So this is everything to the front. This is to the side. And this is everything to the back. So the texture of this unit is like a medium Yaki. It's not silky at all, which I love. So it doesn't feel like it'll get super tangly and worn down in a quick amount of time, which a lot of these units do. So that is definitely a plus for me. I would consider this unit a throw on and go just because it wasn't too much work for me to do all those different styles. You just kind of have to play around with it and get it to lay to your liking. So I really like this unit a lot. I definitely will be picking it up again because just the versatility, the texture, everything on this unit is a plus to me. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you liked it. If you liked this video, just give me a like, give me a subscribe if you're interested on seeing new unit reviews, old throwbacks. Comment down below if you're interested in me picking up a unit that maybe I haven't seen reviews on. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.